This is a review of Philips LUMEA Prestige, one of the most popular IPL devices for home use. At the bottom of the device, you will find a place where to plug in the wire, but you can also use it on a battery. At the top of the device, you will find on and off button as well as the intensity selector. Once you have selected the desired intensity, select it by pressing the button. You can also automatically select intensity with using the Find button while pressing the head of the device against the desired zone. To use the device, press it against your body, and once the indicator shows that it is ready, press a button on the handle. If the device is not correctly pushed against the body, the indicator will not light up and the device will not give impulse. When the device is plugged in, the cooldown between impulses is shorter than if it's used on the battery. It comes together with multiple heads for different body zones. One is a general head for all the body, then we have a head for the armpits, another one for bikini, and one for the face.